Hello, builder. Let's make a birdhouse. Hello, friend. It is so good to see you today. Are you ready for a fun project? We are going to build a birdhouse. Wow, that is so exciting. A birdhouse is a special little home for our feathery friends, the birds. They need a safe and cozy place to rest, and maybe even build a nest for their family. We can help them by making a wonderful house just for them. The most important part of our project is teamwork. That means we need a helper. Go find your special adult helper. They will help with all the tricky parts, especially with the tools. This keeps us safe, and being safe is the best way to have fun. You and your adult helper will be a super team, working together to make something amazing for nature. We will go step by step, nice and slow. I will show you everything we need to do. We will see lots of pictures and short videos to help us. All of our pictures will come from a special place called pexels.com. This website has so many cool photos. We will not use any loud music or bouncy songs. Instead, we will listen to gentle sounds or maybe no sound at all. This will help us stay calm and focused on our building. Are you ready to get started? Okay, let's go. Okay, team, it is time to gather our tools and materials. Let's see what we need to build our amazing birdhouse. First, we need wood. Or you can get a special birdhouse kit that already has the pieces cut for you. We will need pieces for the front, the back, two sides, a floor, and a roof. Your adult helper can help you find the perfect wood for our project. Next, we need things to hold our house together. We can use special wood glue. It is sticky and strong. Your adult helper might also use very small nails. Hammers and nails are for adults only. We also need sandpaper to make the wood smooth so there are no splinters. We want their home to be perfectly safe and comfortable. Your adult will make the little round entrance hole. We also need a paintbrush and safe, non-toxic paint, and a hook or strong string to hang the birdhouse later. Every great builder starts with a plan. A plan is like a map that shows us where to go. Let's draw a square for the front and a matching square for the back. Now draw a rectangle for each side. Draw a square for the floor. Draw a rectangle for the roof, or 2 pieces for a sloped roof. That is 6 pieces in total. On the front piece, add a small circle. This is the entrance hole. A good size is about as big around as a big coin. This size is perfect for little birds like wrens and chickadees. You can color your drawing to choose a blue roof, yellow walls, or natural wood. Hold on to your plan. It is our guide, and it is okay if the house is a little different. The most important thing is trying our best and having fun with our adult helper. Soft pause. First, we need to measure. Your adult helper can show you how to read the numbers. Use a pencil to make small, neat marks. These marks are guides so we know exactly where to cut. After cutting, edges can be rough. We sand to make them smooth. We will rub gently along all the edges. Your adult helper can sand any really rough parts. A smooth entrance hole is very important so feathers do not get scratched. Rub the sandpaper back and forth, back and forth. Feel it getting smoother. Look at our pieces. They look like parts of a real house. We can use a cloth to wipe all the wood dust away. You are doing such a fantastic job. Great work. Now our pieces are ready for the next step. This next step is a very important job, and it is for adults only. Safety glasses and gloves protect eyes and hands. Safety first. The adult will follow our lines carefully to cut each piece. They will cut the front, the back, the sides, the floor, and the roof. The drill makes a perfect round entrance hole. Little drainage holes let rainwater drip out so birds stay dry. When finished, tools are turned off and put away. Look, now we have all our parts ready to build. Thank your adult helper for the hard parts. Teamwork makes the dream work. Now let's get ready for the next fun step. Building. Soft pause. This is the moment we have been waiting for. Assemble means to put pieces together, like blocks or a puzzle. Your adult adds a thin line of glue to the side wall. Press and hold for a few seconds. Good job. Now the other side goes on the floor piece. Look, we have 3 walls. Glue the front piece and press it into place. Do the same for the back. Make sure edges line up nicely. If glue squishes out, wipe it away with a damp cloth. The adult may add tiny nails. Keep your fingers in a safe spot. Glue the top edges and place the roof. Press down gently. There. Now let the glue dry as long as the bottle says. Soft pause. Now that the glue is dry, it is time for painting. Cover the table and wear an old shirt or an apron. Light blue, green, or beige help the house blend with nature. Paint only the outside. Keep the inside all natural for fresh air. Just a little paint on the tip. Gentle strokes. Back and forth, up and down. So satisfying. You can choose different colors or paint it all the same. When you finish, let the paint dry completely. Clean your brushes with water and wash your hands. Your birdhouse looks fantastic. The birds will love it. Our birdhouse is built, painted, and dry. It looks amazing. Now we need to find the perfect place to hang it. We want a spot where birds feel safe and cozy. Hang it high, about 2 times taller than your adult, to keep pets away. Choose some shade and shelter from wind and hot sun. Pick a quiet spot away from busy paths. The adult uses a hook or strong string and makes it hang straight. If a ladder is needed, you stand back and give lots of space. Now our job is done. Now the magical part, watching for visitors. Being a bird watcher takes patience. Sit still and quiet. With your adult's help, a feeder or water nearby is a nice welcome. When a bird comes, do not point or shout, just watch. It may peek inside, deciding if this is home. Never poke the hole or open the house. It is their private home. You can keep a bird journal. What color is it? Is it big or small? Does it sing? You learn to plan, measure, sand, build, and paint, safely as a team. Thank you, kind builder. Goodbye.